Welcome to ZK Auto Motor. Today we're reviewing the 2025 Toyota Camroad Motorhome, a compact yet powerful RV designed for long road trips and full-time travel. Built on the reliable Toyota Dyna chassis, it features a 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This motorhome is made for travelers who want mobility and comfort in one stylish package. With Toyota's engineering at its core, the Camroad blends reliability with freedom on wheels. Exterior part. The exterior of the 2025 Camroad looks clean, modern, and practical. It features sharp aerodynamic lines that improve fuel efficiency while enhancing the overall look. At the front, you get LED headlights and a bold grille that give it a commanding road presence. Large panoramic mirrors help improve visibility during highway driving. The body is made from lightweight reinforced fiberglass, and it includes electric retractable steps, a large side awning, and spacious outdoor storage compartments. Interior part. Inside the Camroad, the design is focused on smart space usage and maximum comfort. There's a fully equipped kitchenette with a 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and a compact refrigerator. The dinette seating area converts into a bed, while the rear has a fixed double bed with soft cushions and reading lights. Overhead cabinets and underbed storage provide plenty of space to store your travel gear. The entire cabin is bright and well ventilated, thanks to large side windows and ceiling vents. Comfort level. When it comes to comfort, the Camroad doesn't hold back. It includes a roof-mounted air conditioning unit and a diesel-powered heater for year-round temperature control. The cabin materials are soft to the touch and designed to make long stays feel like home. Blackout curtains and ambient lighting add to the relaxing experience. There's also a bathroom onboard with a standing shower, flushing toilet, and sink, giving you complete independence while traveling. Performance. Under the hood, the 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine delivers solid torque, ideal for long journeys and hilly terrain. The 6-speed automatic gearbox shifts smoothly and keeps fuel economy in check. It offers stable handling thanks to its balanced weight distribution and reinforced suspension. Whether you're driving on highways or narrow countryside roads, the Camroad stays composed, responsive, and confident. Conclusion. The 2025 Toyota Camroad Motorhome is a complete travel solution for anyone who dreams of life on the road. It's compact but loaded with features, practical but luxurious, and efficient without compromising comfort. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long adventure, this RV is ready to go wherever your journey takes you. Thanks for watching today's review on ZK Auto Motor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome vehicle reviews.